What if your bank helped you reach financial peaks instead of holding you back? The surprising truth about PeakPoint Bank in 2026 may surprise you. PeakPoint Bank is a modern digital bank designed around everyday efficiency. It offers checking and savings accounts with a strong emphasis on visibility and control. Opening an account is quick, and the app is designed for people who want simplicity without sacrificing insight. One standout feature is dynamic balance tracking. Instead of showing just your current balance, PeakPoint shows safe to spend amounts after upcoming bills. Most people get this wrong by overspending money already spoken for, but PeakPoint solves that problem. PeakPoint also offers automated saving tools that adapt to your cash flow. When income is higher, savings increase. When things are tight, contributions ease. You won't believe how much stress this removes during unpredictable months. Another advantage is transparency. Fees are minimal and clearly explained, and alerts are sent before charges happen. The surprising truth is that avoiding unexpected fees often saves more than chasing slightly higher interest rates. The limitation is that PeakPoint focuses on core banking. It doesn't offer advanced investing or credit building tools. It's meant to be a reliable base, not an all-in-one wealth platform. So, is PeakPoint Bank still worth it in 2026? If you want clarity, predictability, and smarter daily money management, yes, it's ideal for people who want control without complexity. Subscribe for more honest banking reviews that keep it real.